Want to permanently delete your Doordash account? First, open the Doordash app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the app opens, tap on the profile icon at the top of the screen. From the profile page, tap on Settings. Under the Settings page, scroll to the Account Settings section and tap Manage Account. Now, scroll down and tap the Manage Account option again. This will open a browser page where you'll need to sign in to the Doordash account you want to delete. After signing in, the Manage Account page will open. Here, you'll see the Delete Account section. Tap the Delete Account button. Doordash may ask you to verify your identity by entering a one-time verification code sent to your phone number. Enter the verification code in the provided field, then tap the Submit button to confirm your request. Wait a few moments while Doordash processes your request. Once the process is complete, your Doordash account will be permanently deleted according to Doordash's account deletion policy. And that's it.